Hi there, today we have a Brother HL-1112 LaserJet printer. We are going to be showing you how to remove the drum so you can replace the toner cartridge. To begin with, we want to open up the top section of the printer to gain access to the drum unit which holds the toner cartridge. To remove the drum, we simply want to grab hold of the green handle, pull and slide the drum towards you. Now that the drum unit is out, to remove the empty toner, simply press down on the blue lever and pull out. To install the new toner, simply slide in, push and wait for the click. Now that we have changed the toner, we simply need to return the drum unit back to the printer, being careful to align the grooves with the printer and then simply slide and push. Lastly, just close the top section of your printer and now your printer is ready to go. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this useful. Please like, share and leave any comments below. Also remember to subscribe for more tips.